The NanoVNA has been connected to the antenna system using a small SMA to SO239 jumper cable. PL259 on the 183 cm long HLF 200 coaxial cable is connected to the SO239 connector. The coaxial cable is soldered to the terminals of 10 meter long ladder line just outside the shack. 10 meter long ladder line continues as the 40 meter long loop antenna at the feed point without any joint in between, as it was originally a 60 meter long wire, of which 20 meter was utilized for the ladder line. NanoVNA's start frequency was set at 3 MHz and stop frequency at 28 MHz. 5 major dips in the SWR pattern was visible. One at 14.5 MHz, where the marker has been kept, shows SWR of 4.92. Here is the dip at 23.5 MHz and the SWR is seen as 2.628. This image shows SWR dip at 19.75 MHz and the value is 1.701. Here the SWR is 4.771 at 5.25 MHz. As you would have noted, none of these dips correspond to amateur radio bands. Hence, it is not possible to use this antenna feed line combination without a tuner. That was anticipated as the ladder line has a high impedance compared to the radio and loop antenna. The loop antenna mounting pattern is quite irregular and does not correspond to any of the known patterns like folded dipole, delta loop or circular loop. There are no suitable locations for any standard mounting at my location and hence the compromises. As the ladder line is continuous with the loop antenna, there is no scope for shortening or lengthening the loop antenna. It can only be matched using tuners or transformers. I am using ATU100 external and the internal antenna tuner of FT710 to finally tune to an SWR of 1:1 on 7, 14, 21 and 28 MHz bands. It does not tune to WARC bands at all. A homebrew common mode choke is in place between the feed line and the ATU100.